Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Number 1, here you see number 1 is number 1. Number 1 here you see is it is minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Right? Here you see that if you multiply minus 4 by 5 with 1 or 1 into minus 4 by 5, you will get the value minus 4 by 5. Therefore, you can say that here 1 is the multiplicative identity. This property is used in this question. That is 1 is the multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative. 1 is the multiplicative identity. One is the multiplicative identity. Number 2. Number 2 is minus 13 by 17. Minus 13 by 17. Minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 into minus 2 by 7 is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17 minus 13 by 17. Here we have used the property of commutativity. C-O-M-M-E-U, commutativity. Use the property of commutativity under multiplication. Now question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is minus 19 by 29. Minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 is equal to 1. Right? Here we have used multiplicative inverse. The property of multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. That means that the multiplicative inverse of minus 19 by 29 is 29 by minus 19. If we multiply both, you will get the value 1. Therefore, here in case 1, we have used that 1 is the multiplicative identity. Here you see. And number 2 is commutativity, that is this into this is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. Right? And this is the multiplicative inverse, that is the multiplicative inverse of minus 19 by 29 is 29 by minus 19. That means in first case we have used that 1 is the multiplicative identity into the rule of commutativity, and number 3 is multiplicative inverse. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.